The ACO Stormbrixx unit is unique that it's the only system on the market that allows access to be anywhere on the site. It's unique due to its column type technology that you can actually get in, access it, inspect it, as well as provide maintenance. It's all about protecting your investment. This allows the maintenance crews to get in over time. All I have to do is pop the cap. You can put a jetter in, you can pump this thing up with water, suck it back out to clean it out, inspection cameras, what have you. But once again, this is the only system and it's unique due to its column type technology.
Well, I've been working here about 8 years and we have seen a lot of need over those 8 years. We've had a lot of problems with drainage. And when we have problems with drainage, primarily during the rainy season or when we have heavy rains, the runoff into the parking lot was supposed to go into the old French drain and be dispersed. However, that never really worked very well. We had to get out a pump on a semi-regular basis, which was a lot of work. It was messy, it was obviously dangerous because we had to have an open man cover, and it was something that with the new storm drain, the new storm system, that we will take care of this issue, and we're grateful to have you guys here doing the work for us. We know with your company and with this new product that things will go smoothly and going to be a lot less work and hassle for those that work here on the grounds.
You can also tell that as it's built, the columns stack on top of each other, thus giving it structural integrity from the top of the system to the bottom of the system.
In our situation, I don't know that there was another product that would have worked as well. There's other products out there, but in this situation, with the constraints that we had to deal with, we were limited on a footprint area, and so the ability to go taller and deeper was a huge benefit to us.
We were able to use a smaller footprint, and because of the lightness of this system, it could be transported in a lot easier. With a regular or with a system that we have done in the past, there would have been a huge footprint, a lot of export, a lot of import of gravels, and with this system we didn't have to do that.
The system, once you got the product going in, it went in really well. Went in fast, and just with extra help, went in solid and was great. Looks like it's going to work great with what the product was designed for, so that's where we're at. That's how we stand on there.
It's the only system that can be accessed and maintained over time. That's why we love it, that's why we sell it, and that's why we're Mountainland.